Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the brightness in Windrose. Let's start by opening settings. From here, navigate to video. Scroll down and look to the graphics section, and at the bottom of it should be the brightness. Here you can change it from as low as 50 to as high as 150%. Of course, 100 being the default. I actually like it a bit lowered to about 85%. So I will go about there. It doesn't have to be a whole number. I will hit apply to save the changes and then close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, comment and like the video.